Colombia has taken a major step to modernize its military transport fleet by selecting the Embraer KC-390 Millennium, one of the world's most advanced military transport aircraft. But why did Colombia choose the KC-390 over other options, like the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules or the Airbus A400M? The answer lies in Colombia's urgent need for a faster, more capable, and more reliable aircraft that can operate across one of the most challenging environments in the world. For decades, Colombia's Air Force has depended on the Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules for transport missions. However, many of these aircraft have been in service for several decades and are becoming increasingly difficult and expensive to maintain. The need for replacement became even more urgent after a tragic C-130 accident, highlighted concerns about the aging fleet's reliability and operational readiness. To address this challenge, Colombia decided to accelerate its transport fleet modernization program. The country will receive 2 KC-390 Millennium aircraft, with deliveries expected in 2029 and 2030, gradually replacing its older transport aircraft. One of the biggest advantages of the KC-390 is its ability to operate in challenging environments. Colombia has a unique geography, including the Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, and remote regions with limited infrastructure. Many military bases operate at high altitudes and in hot conditions, where aircraft performance becomes extremely important. The KC-390 is powered by 2 jet engines and can carry up to 26 tons of cargo. It can fly at speeds of around 470 knots, making it significantly faster than traditional turboprop transport aircraft like the C-130. This speed advantage allows the aircraft to quickly move troops, equipment, and humanitarian supplies across Colombia's large territory. The aircraft can perform multiple missions, including tactical airlift operations, troop transportation, cargo delivery, medical evacuation, search and rescue missions, disaster relief operations, firefighting missions. It is also designed to operate from shorter and less prepared runways, making it suitable for remote areas. Another important reason behind Colombia's decision is aerial refueling capability. The aircraft selected by Colombia is the KC-390 tanker variant, equipped with a probe and drogue refueling system. This capability will allow Colombia to support its newly selected Saab Gripen EF fighter aircraft, extending their operational range and improving mission flexibility. Colombia is not new to Embraer aircraft. The Colombian Air Force has operated Embraer platforms for more than 3 decades, including the EMB 312 Tucano and A29 Super Tucano. This long relationship gave Colombia confidence in Embraer's aircraft, training systems, maintenance support, and logistics network. The KC-390 deal also includes support packages, training, and industrial cooperation, strengthening defense ties between Colombia and Brazil. With this purchase, Colombia becomes the first Latin American customer outside Brazil and the 13th country worldwide to operate the KC-390 Millennium. Compared with larger aircraft like the Airbus A400M, the KC-390 offers a balance between capability and affordability. Its modern design, high availability, and lower operating costs make it an attractive solution for countries looking to replace older transport fleets. The contract, valued at approximately $366 million for 2 aircraft and support, provides Colombia with a fixed-cost solution while improving its military transport capabilities. Final thoughts. Colombia's decision to acquire the Embraer KC-390 Millennium is not just about buying a new transport aircraft. It is about replacing an aging fleet, improving military readiness, supporting new fighter operations, and gaining a modern aircraft capable of handling Colombia's challenging geography. With its high speed, large payload capacity, aerial refueling capability, and multi-mission flexibility, the KC-390 is expected to become a key part of Colombia's future air operations. The first aircraft will arrive in 2029, marking a new era for Colombia's military aviation. Thanks for watching. What do you think about Colombia's decision to choose the Embraer KC-390 Millennium? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more aviation and defense updates.